Have you ever struggled with a document, a research paper, or even an article in English, and no matter how hard you try, it just doesn't make sense? Instead of wasting hours translating word by word, now you can get it done in just seconds with Monica AI, your smart translation assistant. At work, Monica helps you translate PDFs, Word files, or even foreign contracts instantly. The results are clear, natural, and easy to understand, so you get the main idea right away. For studying and research, Monica is a real lifesaver. Students and researchers can use it to translate theses, ebooks, or academic papers. And the best part? Monica can even summarize the content for you, saving hours of reading time. And if you love reading the news or want to learn a new language, Monica lets you translate an entire website with just one click. You can stay updated with international news while improving your language skills at the same time. In short, Monica AI is like having a 24/7 personal translator right on your computer. Fast, accurate, convenient. If you'd like to explore more AI tools that save you time and even help you make money online, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Petter AI Hustle, and hit the notification bell. We've got plenty of exciting videos coming up.